Hey there, food explorers. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of a fruit often mistaken for a vegetable, the tomato. That's right, folks, botanically speaking, it's a fruit, but no matter how you slice it, the tomato is a versatile and delicious addition to cuisines around the globe. From its humble beginnings in the Andes Mountains to its reign in kitchens worldwide, the tomato has a fascinating history and offers a surprising number of health benefits. We're about to uncover the secrets of this culinary superstar. Get ready to discover the incredible tomato. Our story begins in South America, high in the Andes Mountains. This rugged and majestic landscape, with its towering peaks and deep valleys, is the birthplace of a fruit that would eventually become a global culinary sensation. Here, thousands of years ago, the wild tomato flourished. These hardy plants thrived in the challenging conditions nurtured by the ancient Incan farmers who recognized their potential. These early tomatoes were small, like cherries, and far from the plump, juicy varieties we know today. They were often tart and had a more robust flavor, a far cry from the sweet, succulent tomatoes that grace our tables now. When Spanish explorers arrived in the Americas, they encountered this intriguing fruit. Fascinated by its unique taste and potential, they decided to bring it back to their homeland. They brought it back to Europe in the 16th century. The journey across the Atlantic was long and perilous, but the tomato made it, ready to embark on a new chapter in its history. Initially, Europeans were hesitant to eat tomatoes. The fruit's unfamiliar appearance and its association with the deadly nightshade plant made people wary. They believed them to be poisonous due to their resemblance to deadly nightshade plants. This fear was so pervasive that tomatoes were often grown as ornamental plants rather than for consumption. Over time, however, the tomato's culinary potential won over skeptics. Chefs and home cooks alike began experimenting with this versatile fruit, discovering its ability to enhance a wide variety of dishes. It became a staple ingredient in Mediterranean cuisine. In Italy, it found a perfect home, becoming the star of many beloved dishes such as pasta sauces, pizzas, and salads. From there, the tomato's popularity spread like wildfire, conquering gardens and kitchens across the globe. Today, it is a key ingredient in countless recipes, from spicy salsas in Mexico to rich curries in India, showcasing its incredible versatility and universal appeal. Walk into any farmer's market and you'll be greeted by a rainbow of tomato varieties. From the classic red tomatoes like beefsteak and Roma to the vibrant yellows of yellow pear and pineapple tomatoes, there's a tomato for every palate and purpose. Need a tomato for slicing on sandwiches? Beefsteak is your go-to, making a rich tomato sauce. Roma tomatoes with their meaty flesh and low water content are perfect. Looking for a burst of sweetness in your salad? Cherry tomatoes like Sun Gold and Sweet Million will do the trick. And don't forget about heirloom tomatoes, each with its unique flavor profile and history. Now, let's talk nutrition. Tomatoes are incredibly low in calories, making them a guilt-free addition to any meal. 1 cup of chopped tomatoes clocks in at a mere 32 calories. That's less than a bag of potato chips. But don't let their low-calorie count fool you. Tomatoes are packed with nutrients. They're a good source of fiber, which aids digestion and helps you feel full and satisfied. Plus, they're made up of about 95% water, keeping you hydrated and contributing to your daily fluid intake. Section 5. Vitamins and minerals. A tomato's hidden treasures. Tomatoes are not just a staple in our kitchens. They are a powerhouse of nutrition, often underestimated in their value. Hold on to your hats, folks, because the nutritional value of tomatoes doesn't stop there. These vibrant red fruits are packed with a variety of essential nutrients that contribute to overall health and well-being. These red wonders are bursting with essential vitamins and minerals. From boosting your immune system to supporting heart health, tomatoes are a versatile and nutritious addition to any diet. One medium tomato provides about 40% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy immune system. Vitamin C not only boosts your immune system, but also protects against cell damage, promotes healthy skin, and aids in the absorption of iron from plant-based foods. They're also a good source of vitamin K, which is crucial for blood clotting and bone health. This vitamin helps in the synthesis of proteins required for blood coagulation and bone metabolism. Including tomatoes in your diet can help ensure you get enough vitamin K, which is often found in leafy greens and dairy products. And let's not forget about potassium, an essential electrolyte that helps regulate blood pressure and muscle function. Potassium is vital for maintaining fluid balance, nerve signals, and muscle contractions. Consuming tomatoes can help you meet your daily potassium needs, which is especially important for athletes and those with high blood pressure. Tomatoes even offer a dose of folate, a B vitamin essential for cell growth and development. Folate is particularly important for pregnant women as it supports the healthy development of the fetus. Including tomatoes in your meals can help ensure you get enough folate, which is also found in legumes and leafy greens. So next time you enjoy a tomato, remember you're not just savoring a delicious fruit, but also nourishing your body with a wealth of vitamins and minerals. Section 6. Antioxidants fighting free radicals with every bite. Tomatoes are nutritional superheroes thanks in part to their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are compounds that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. One of the most powerful antioxidants found in tomatoes is lycopene. Lycopene gives tomatoes their vibrant red color and has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, prostate cancer, and sunburn. Another antioxidant powerhouse in tomatoes is beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Beta-carotene is essential for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. Section 7. The Tomato Advantage Health Benefits. With their impressive nutritional profile, it's no surprise that tomatoes offer a wide range of health benefits. These vibrant red fruits are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can significantly improve your overall health. Let's delve into some of the ways tomatoes can boost your well-being. From heart health to skin care, the benefits of incorporating tomatoes into your diet are numerous and well documented. Heart health. The lycopene in tomatoes has been shown to lower LDL, or bad cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage and reduces inflammation, which is a key factor in heart disease. Tomatoes also contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Potassium is crucial for maintaining fluid balance in the body and counteracting the effects of sodium, which can lead to high blood pressure. Skin health. The vitamin C and lycopene in tomatoes contribute to healthy skin. Vitamin C is a vital nutrient for skin health as it aids in the production of collagen, a protein that keeps the skin firm and youthful. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which keeps skin firm and youthful. Additionally, the antioxidants in tomatoes help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to premature aging. Lycopene protects against sun damage and may reduce the risk of skin cancer. This powerful antioxidant helps shield the skin from harmful UV rays, reducing the likelihood of sunburn and long-term skin damage. Cancer prevention studies suggest that the antioxidants in tomatoes, particularly lycopene, may play a role in reducing the risk of certain types of cancer, including prostate, lung, and stomach cancer. The high levels of antioxidants in tomatoes help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can damage cells and lead to cancer development. In addition to these benefits, tomatoes are also a great source of other essential nutrients such as vitamin K, which is important for bone health, and folate, which is crucial for cell function and tissue growth. Incorporating tomatoes into your daily diet can be as simple as adding them to salads, sandwiches, or sauces. Their versatility and delicious flavor make them an easy and enjoyable addition to a healthy lifestyle. Whether you enjoy them fresh, cooked, or in a sauce, tomatoes are a nutritional powerhouse that can provide numerous health benefits. So, next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up some tomatoes and take advantage of their many health benefits. Remember, a diet rich in fruits and vegetables, including tomatoes, is key to maintaining good health and preventing chronic diseases. So make tomatoes a regular part of your diet and enjoy the many health benefits they have to offer. Section 8. Getting your daily dose. Easy ways to enjoy tomatoes. Incorporating more tomatoes into your diet is easier than you think. Here are a few simple and delicious ways to enjoy the flavor and health benefits of this versatile fruit. Start your day with a slice of tomato on your toast or scrambled eggs. Add chopped tomatoes to salads, sandwiches, and wraps. Roast tomatoes with herbs and olive oil for a flavorful side dish. Blend tomatoes into smoothies or gazpacho for a refreshing treat, and explore the world of tomato-based sauces for pasta, pizza, and more. Section 9. Embrace the tomato, a delicious and healthy choice. From their ancient origins to their modern-day culinary versatility, tomatoes have earned their place as a global food staple. They're not just delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. So, next time you're at the grocery store, pick up a few tomatoes and get creative in the kitchen. Your taste buds and your body will thank you.